My name's Richard. I live in Kingston, here in Chelmsford today. This week I'm doing my combined 3 and 4. So it's my third week, so it's mopping up some of the other stuff I haven't done in my practical. So this week I've done parts of a cylinder. It took about a day or two to do that. I'm now working on the frames you can see above here. I think it's frame P13. So I'm just putting that together as we speak, really, as part of my assessment. I was not in this industry at all, so I worked in finance. It's very different. So I was about 15 years in finance as like an account manager or relationship manager in the banking world. Got made redundant during COVID. However, I had started the course previous to that, just as a plan B, I suppose, which kind of worked out after COVID. Once I left, got made redundant from finance, I then went into the plumbing industry. So I'm now working as a plumbing apprentice with a building company, which sort of puts all of this practice into good use on site, so in domestic properties. So it's really important for me to sort of be flexible with the family as well as getting my qualification done. So yeah, it works perfect for myself. So if you need any help, there's also a number where you can get through to a plumbing tutor. So any questions you may have whilst you're, let's say, doing theory, and you also do your theory, you have exams at the end of each module. So anything you were stuck on before you get to the actual exams, you can ring up, give an example of what you're stuck on, or maybe they can make it a bit simpler or clearer to you on the phone. So it's really quite helpful. You can always get through to a tutor, which I find sort of first time. You get a lot of support here when you come on the site. So if you ever get stuck, so for example here I'm doing the frames, I can always speak to Steve, maybe brush up on some skills that you might have done at home, which you could then bring into the workshop. And also when you're in the workshop, you're practicing your skill, which is really important in this industry, because the more you do, the better you're going to get at it. And you've got all the support of the tutors as well. You also have your exams sometimes in the week when you're doing your practicals, so make sure you do a lot of studying at home, put a lot of work in, and don't underestimate how much knowledge you need, because you do need a lot of knowledge. But if you stick at it, make a plan of how you're going to revise, do your theories, because you do exams at home online as well. And they determine, so once you pass the exams, you get to come into the practicals. So once you've done a certain section, so just stick at it. Even if you think it's getting tough, just keep going. That's the advice I give. So this company, they're quite unique. So they actually provide a site where you can go on, and I believe it's like 2 weeks work experience on there, so they can get all your stuff signed off, so you're fully qualified. And I know not a lot of people do that. So you have to go and find out your own workplace, which is quite hard. Even me getting my plumbing, working with a plumber at the moment, it's taken me a little while. So if you come in here, if they're going to provide that for you, it's a plus. And now I've got 3 children, it gives you a lot more flexibility. And with plumbing, the type of jobs you're getting and the type of money you can make, I'm not really going to lose out on any money in the future compared to what I've had when I was an account manager or relationship manager in a bank. So you can sort of get to where you were money-wise or exceed it, plus giving you more time with family or whatever if you need to do with your life, because life's hectic these days, so it's really helpful. Yeah, definitely want to start working for myself. That's the initial goal. So that's the reason, one of the things I sort of came into to do, because you're your own boss and you get more flexibility. But yeah, initially one man band by myself, and if it does go well, maybe it gets some more people to work.